Here we are.
Okay.
Okay, we are officially recording. Rolling.
Cut.
Julia, uwaga. Światło na miejscu. Pięknie oświetlone.
Action.
Let's love it.
Action number one. As a chef, what's your first impression of the Oishya knife balance and weight in your hand?
I think just looking at it immediately, you can see the layers of steel that have gone into this Japanese knife, and the quality is just, it's super light, it's incredibly sharp, and you can see that the craftsmanship is just amazing. The signature of the maker obviously engraved into that, and this wooden handle is beautiful. Yeah, it's incredible. Yeah, it's just super easy, very light, amazing.
Awesome. Japanese philosophy Kaizen is,
Yeah.
Talking about like constant improvement. So how do you improve your skills in cooking, in life in general?
Yeah. Well, I guess always trying to refine how you develop your cooking skills in sauces or practices, and a knife like this really helps a lot. It's extremely easy to work with, and it's the kind of knife that you can imagine if you were only going to have one, this one would be able to manage everything you did, whether it was meat or vegetables or chilies, something small. It's clearly a really diverse knife to work with.
And favorite dish and why? The one you like first?
My favorite dish to cook is fish, and outside on the fire or outside on a cooker like this, I think it's really beautiful to be able to connect with nature in this way, and I think having a knife like this where you can cut to the deepest level of the fillet and remove it without any bones is really the master of a great chef's knife.
And last question, do you usually cook like this?
Yeah, this is a place that me and my partner like to come and have romantic dinners and enjoy the sunset.